give my all, but I think my all may have been too much. Cause Lord knows we're not getting anywhere. Cities were always blowing, but every that's going. And it seems sometimes we only got, we haven't got a prayer. Just once, can they figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why the good times there?